How to fix iPhone camera flickering issue. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to fix the iPhone camera flickering issue, try restarting your device firstly, as restarting the device fixes majority of issues on your iPhone. Now launch the settings application on your device. Scroll down and find the camera option there and tap on that. And then tap on Preserve Settings. You will see the option for Live Photo. Make sure the toggle button for live photos is toggled off. Now go back and tap on General and then tap on Software Update. Make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. The latest version is crucial to maintain optimal performance, and it can also resolve issues on your iPhone. In General itself, scroll down and now tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and reset all settings. Doing this will reset all settings, nevertheless, none of your data or media will be deleted. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now. Lastly, in Settings again, tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Make sure your iPhone has enough storage space for apps to perform smoothly, as it is crucial for your iPhone to have enough space. You can also go ahead and offload a few apps that are no longer in use. Your camera should have been fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.